You probably have a rough idea of what a stroke is. It happens when blood flow to or in the brain is disrupted. Brain cells don't get all the oxygen they need, which has a negative effect on an individual's memory and muscle control. Even minor strokes can cause weakness in certain parts of the body, especially the arms or legs. A severe stroke can cause complete paralysis on one side of the body. Often, there's no warning that a stroke is imminent. Avoiding or limiting certain kinds of food in your diet can be an important part of making sure a stroke never happens to you. According to recent research, here are several kinds of food that appear to increase the risk of having a stroke. Foods that contain trans fats and saturated fats. Trans fats increase inflammation in the body. Inflammation has been linked to a higher risk of having a stroke. Too much saturated fat in your diet can raise so-called bad or LDL cholesterol levels in your blood, which also increases the risk of heart disease. Foods that contain a lot of trans fats and saturated fats include the following. Fried foods, including French fries, donuts, and fried chicken. Fatty cuts of meat, especially red meat. Butter and lard. Baked goods such as cakes, cookies, and pies. Processed foods or junk foods such as crackers and chips. Microwave popcorn. Frozen pizza. Refrigerated dough such as biscuits and rolls. Ice cream. Smoked and processed meats. Smoked and processed meats have also been linked to a higher stroke risk. Smoked and processed meats contain chemicals that damage your blood vessels. Examples of smoked and processed meats include hot dogs, bacon, salami, and some other deli meats. Certain kinds of salt or sodium. Our bodies need a certain amount of sodium, but way too much is found in today's typical diets. Besides table salt, there's also processed sodium in a lot of packaged foods. Sugar. Consuming a lot of sugar can cause high blood pressure, inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, and fatty liver disease, which are all linked to an increased risk of both heart attack and stroke. To learn more about foods that increase your risk of having a stroke, click on the links in the description section for this video.